IT, technology is moving around so fast now. We're learning the fact that there's always a better way of doing things. You look at the things that you can do now versus the things that you could do 3 weeks ago. Certainly in the cloud space is phenomenal. So yeah, I would say historically, always been trained to think about backups in a certain way. Talk is cheap. When I actually saw it happening, my eyes opened and I realized what we had here, and it's a phenomenal product. So from a single control panel, we're able to see what it is that is gone wrong, number one, and also rectify multiple things simultaneously, regardless of where we are within the system. We can simply do it as a blanket. The other thing that really grabbed me about it was around the primary backup versus the secondary backup. It was cloud first and then on-site backup, Speed Vault. And I found that very interesting because essentially what it meant was that if anything was to go wrong with your local device, which happens all the time, your backup's not affected. Right, your backup continues to run, but you don't have to worry about your local backup until obviously you get that replaced. And obviously, having a local backup is great because you're able to restore faster. Fine, fair enough. But it means that the customer is still being backed up. So that was a fairly big portion for me. The other one was around as I mentioned before, the management of the devices as a whole. And it was specifically around the actual restoration portion of it. The fact that the backups are taken from a system level backup and then a file and folder level backup and simply stitched together to create a VM that you needed, meaning that you could back up a server and, pretty much every 5 minutes you could do that. And the rollout itself, I think we did across 180 servers. I think it took us the afternoon. So it was very, very simple to do that. So a phenomenal product, really phenomenal. And I certainly tout it a lot here in the office. I try to put it in for every customer that we have and really sort of, train people on how this product works and the benefits of it. So phenomenal product from that perspective, certainly, management and the way that it works and the way that it's flipped things on its head by doing backup slightly differently. As I said before, it's a brilliant solution to a fairly old problem now.